Hi guys, what's going on? We're back on Forza 3 today, and I had no school, so here's my RC replica build that I was telling you about, and I'm gonna show you how I done it. So first you need to have the Blizzard Mountain DLC pack. So you need that's a new DLC. That's new. I already have that. So you need the Blizzard Mountain. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that too. So you need the R.J. Anderson, the Rockstar, the short course truck. You need this to have. You need the Blizzard Mountain to pull this off. Or you can use the Monster Energy truck. The Monster Energy truck. You can use that one too, wherever it is. This one. If you have 600,000 coin credits or 1,200 tokens, you can have it. I just noticed that a couple days ago that you can see how much it costs in tokens and credits. So now I'm gonna show you. So go into paint. The color is a very dark blue. I'll show you. It's that blue. So what you want to do, it's like that blue. Just look at this blue right here. Oh, it's not even in the camera. It's a dark blue. You can see it on the camera, so yeah. The wheels are lime green, like that. Oh, I have to show you the rims. Oops. Fully max up the car. Fully max it out if you have enough. If you don't, that's fine. You don't have to. So the rims for this, I think are in here. Yes. The 15 Beeffoot Forza edition, the 52 Forza edition, they're in, it's the second row, they're the second row, and they're near the end of these rims, so, like near the end, it's right there, it's between these rims, this rim, and this rim, it's right here, that rim. Then you want to, wrong area, whoops, then you want to fully make them wide, to make it like a NASCAR. And then, not like a NASCAR, like an RC. Then go into here, fully make this completely cover this side of the car. See how I have it? I'll show you the dimensions. There. There. No tilt, just like that. Then, here's the dimensions. Make this side cover that. Then make this piece cover the whole top of the car. Yeah, you make it like this. So, like that, like that, like that, and zero stuff. Then you do one for this side, like that. Oh crap, I still have two of them. Oops. Yep, there we go. Now I fixed it. Then you look for Pro Line, and there you go. Oh crap. No, no, no. Back, thank you. For the top, you do the whole top in that color. Then you do a thick gray stripe. Try to make it as center as possible, and I did that. Then look for a graffiti. Look for one that's white. That's what I said. Then you do the exact same on this side. Cut that. Then look for Pro Line. and then rear bumper, you make it completely blue. Continue saving. Then I'm just gonna drive around in this. Then I'm gonna show you my YouTuber cars that I know that I made in my game in Forza. Alright? I haven't been on Forza for a while. It's been a while I haven't been on Forza, so I'm back now. See? Now you made an actual RC. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down wherever my remote is. Or oh crap. Oh shit. Sorry about that, I'm just turning it down a bit so you can hear me. I think that's a little too low. 20's perfect? So, oh god. So, I had no school today, so you heard on my car trick racing video I posted up. It should be uploaded soon. I love this thing so much. I use this a lot. Oh, and I made a tune for it if you want to see it. When I figure out jumping, I let go of the gas, and then go back on the gas when it hit the ground. So it'll be easier. I'll show you the tune if you want. If you can even see the tune. If you can't see it, that's fine. So you want the tire completely soft. Then here's the gears. You can see. Oh, I'm in the camera. Shit. You can see. I was in the camera again. Like that. Then like that. Then like this. Completely soft. Then like that. Keep the braking. And this is what you want to do. Then there's the tune for it. And then that's it for the thing. This is how you make a regiment or RC build. And I do have another one that I might show you. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. So my other RC build, I couldn't get the logo for the car for the thing. I don't know why I couldn't get the logo for it. So yeah, it's RC Spark Studio. If you don't know him, he does RC videos. Here's another tracks I made. I'll show. Those are not the big. Okay. This. Whoops. Yeah, I have a Volvo. So it's my drift car. This is one from one of his videos, the King of Skate Park Pain, that he does. I don't think he does it anymore. So that's the King's car that I made. And the car I'm gonna show you is the Monster Energy, and I made it like this. So I'll show you how to do this car as well. So excuse me, sorry. I'm gonna show you how to do this. You need flames. Make the car an orange. You make this truck orange. So go into decals. So you need to look for this kind of flame with black. Alright? Then you look for Traxxas logo. So you need to make, I'll show you how wide you need to make it. So you need to make it 50 wide. 50. No, 0, and then that. Look for Traxxas. This is how big you want the logo to be. 13. Alright? Then I'll show you the top later. So you do the exact same. Then for the front, you make the whole front black. Now for the top. So the first thing, you look for the exact same logo, for the exact same flames again. Then do that. Then minus 71. You look for minus 71. You do 71 for minus 0.71. Then you look for these kind of flames. And then you move it minus 168, and y is 2, then it's 95, and no tilt. And next are the YouTube logos. This is supposed to represent the Mad Bash, so you look for this YouTube logo, and you do like that, then 20, then that's the spin, and there you go. And here's the spin again. Oh crap. There's the, you look for 20, and then 150. You can do it your own, the YouTube logos your own way. I do it that way. And I can show you the tune. I put the exact same tune on it. See? The exact same tune. I don't know why that's 05. I maxed the right head out. I kept that, I did the exact same. So, yeah. This is RC Sparks. If you like RC, you just go check him out. RC Sparks. I subscribe to him. You should subscribe to him too. So yeah. And then yeah, I like you. I'm gonna go to the airport and then end the video there. I'll do some little jumps and then I'll show then I'll do in the video. This is really cool. I like this stuff too. The king of I found a little cool drop spot you can do. Oh god! Oh, and I landed it. I found a little place that I got to, but I don't know if I can do it on camera. Okay. Here we go. Oh wow, I did it on camera. So, this is the spot I got to. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh wow, I got back up here. Oh, come on. Let me go new wheels! No, 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 no. Oh, I want to end the video. There we go. For some reason I can still hear music. Okay, now I can end the video now. Okay, thanks for watching everyone, and hope you guys are happy to see more Forza more Forza Horizon 3 video content, and next I'll be showing you my YouTubers that I done on my game, all my YouTuber cars that I showed, and you can add me on Xbox and we can play online together, because I have Xbox Live. So, just look for my gamer tag, Car Thomas 18, and then you'll find me, and then add me as a friend, and I'll accept you. So, yeah, please add me. If you have an Xbox One, yeah, but if you have a PS4, that's really hard to do, because I don't have a PS4. I've been through the Xbox 360, Xbox One. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And check out RC Sparks, his videos. Check out Remy Spidey, AR12, Spears Animation HD, Jacksepticeye, NerdTube, Tested, Papa Mose. He does Minecraft. He does really good stuff on Minecraft. And hope to see you guys in the next one. And thanks for watching. Peace. See you in the next Forza Horizon video. Thanks for watching. Bye.